Hi there, for today's reading activity, we are going to be focusing on informational text and author's purpose. Let's first write today's date, 4-6-21. All right, once you have the date, let's go ahead and write our first sentence. Our first sentence is going to be the author's purpose was, what is it? The author's purpose was, fill in the blank. Was it to persuade the reader, inform the reader, or to entertain the reader? So persuade, inform, or entertain. The author's purpose was to persuade, inform, or entertain. After you write this sentence and you fill in the blank, don't forget your period, you're going to write a second sentence. This is author's purpose. Now the next one is, tell me some new information you learned. I learned, tell me something new. What did you learn? Tell me one thing you learned. Maybe you learned how rainbows were made. Maybe you learned that whenever you see two rainbows, the second one is lighter and the colors are flipped. Maybe you learn sometimes whenever there's mist in a park or your backyard, you can see the colors of a rainbow. Think back to what you learned and go ahead and write it. So the author's purpose was, tell me what the author's purpose was, and then tell me one thing you learned. You do not have to copy these words here, okay? And if you have time and you'd like, you may draw a picture. So one more time, write today's date. The author's purpose was, tell me, persuade, inform, or entertain. And then tell me one thing you learned. I learned, okay?